Looking for the best sewing machines for advanced sewers in 2026? In this video, we've selected powerful and reliable machines that offer precision stitching, advanced features, and smooth performance for professional and serious home sewing projects. Let's check out the best options you can buy right now. Starting at number 1. Juki TL-2010Q. The Juki TL-2010Q is a high-speed semi-industrial sewing and quilting machine designed for serious quilters, crafters, and sewing enthusiasts who demand professional-level performance. Featuring a powerful motor capable of sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute, it delivers exceptional speed, precision, and stitch quality for quilting, garment construction, and home decor projects. The machine offers a large work area that easily accommodates quilts and bulky fabrics, while its aluminum die-cast frame ensures durability and reduced vibration during operation. Advanced features such as automatic thread trimming, adjustable press or foot pressure, knee lift lever, and precise straight stitch capability enhance efficiency and control. Designed to handle a wide range of fabrics from lightweight cotton to multiple quilt layers, the Juki TL-2010Q combines industrial-inspired performance with user-friendly functionality, making it a favorite choice among dedicated quilters and experienced sewists. Number 2. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a feature-rich computerized sewing and quilting machine designed for creativity, versatility, and ease of use. Offering an impressive selection of 600 built-in stitches, including decorative, stretch, quilting, and basic utility stitches, it provides endless possibilities for sewing, quilting, embroidery-style embellishments, and personalized projects with built-in lettering fonts. The machine features automatic one-step buttonholes, a bright LED lighting system for improved visibility, and an intuitive LCD interface for easy stitch selection and customization. Its durable metal frame ensures stability and long-lasting performance, while the included extension table provides additional workspace for quilting and large projects. The package also comes with a hard protective case and a wide range of accessories, making it a complete sewing solution right out of the box. Combining advanced automation, extensive stitch options, and user-friendly operation, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced sewists alike. Number 3. Brother SE700. The Brother SE700 Combo Embroidery and Sewing Machine is a versatile all-in-one machine that combines sewing and embroidery capabilities, making it ideal for crafters, hobbyists, and creative enthusiasts. Designed to handle a wide variety of projects, it allows users to sew garments, quilts, home decor items, and personalized embroidered designs with ease. The machine includes 4 embroidery hoops, providing flexibility for different project sizes, along with a comprehensive embroidery thread set and essential accessories to help users get started right away. Its computerized functionality offers built-in embroidery designs, customizable stitching options, and an intuitive interface that simplifies design selection and editing. Whether creating custom monograms, decorative accents, or everyday sewing projects, the Brother SE700 delivers reliable performance, precision stitching, and creative freedom in one convenient package. Number 4. Janome JW8100. The Janome JW8100 is a fully featured computerized sewing machine designed to provide versatility, convenience, and precision for a wide range of sewing projects. Equipped with 100 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, quilting, and heirloom options, it offers plenty of creative possibilities for beginners and experienced sewists alike. The machine also features 7 one-step buttonhole styles, making it easy to create professional-looking garments and accessories. Its user-friendly computerized controls and clear LCD display allow for quick stitch selection and customization, while the included extension table provides extra workspace for quilting and larger projects. A durable hardcover helps protect the machine during storage and transport, and the 22 included accessories enhance functionality and convenience. Combining advanced features, reliable performance, and ease of use, the Janome JW8100 is an excellent choice for sewing, quilting, home decor, and craft projects. Number 5. Brother ST150HDH. The Brother ST150HDH Strong and Tough Sewing Machine is a durable and versatile machine designed to handle both everyday sewing and heavier duty projects with ease. Built with a robust metal frame and enhanced piercing power, it can sew through thick fabrics such as denim, canvas, and multiple fabric layers while maintaining smooth, consistent stitch quality. The machine features 50 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, stretch, and quilting options, providing flexibility for a wide range of creative projects. Its easy-to-read LCD display simplifies stitch selection and adjustments, while the included 9 sewing feet expand its capabilities for tasks such as zipper installation, buttonholes, overcasting, and quilting. Combining strength, reliability, and user-friendly operation, the Brother ST150HDH is an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced sewists looking for a machine that can tackle both lightweight and heavy-duty sewing projects. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sewing and crafting guides.